Hello everyone, so just sort of make a very brief video of a new project that we've just completed. This is a e30 s50. It's had a full engine rebuild, left-hand drive originally, so it's a Spanish car. It's M3 bodywork on here. You can see it's a Zar bumper on the car, so how nice that bumper is. And that's our Evo 2 chin as well. This is the s50 engine in there, fully running. Our custom exhaust manifold on there. We do a custom right-hand drive manifold to allow those engines into the E30 chassis, and we keep all the runners equal length. That's a custom made in-house. We've recoated the rocker cover as well with the crackle finish. The engine basically is sat on our subframe kit and engine mount itself. The car itself is a 5-speed manual, left-hand drive, race car obviously, and this has been an ongoing project with the customer. He's had quite a bit of work done by ourselves over the last couple of years. We've converted the rear end, so the actual body work, the M3 panel work on the sides isn't ours. The car was previously converted in Spain somewhere, but the customer come to us for the rear window frame C-pillar. As you can see, it's got the glass rear window in, it's got our boot lid on, our spoiler, our rear bumper, and our hinges, so our boot lid hinges. Just open that up. You can see our hinges in there. Everything fits as should. All the internal brackets. This is a carbon boot lid, carbon C-pillar. Everything slams and shuts properly. I'll just show you our parcel shelf. So this is a fiberglass parcel shelf, painted. As you can see, that's one of our products as well. So that item is basically copy of the M3 2-part shelf, but made to be 1 part in total. So yeah, the car is a nice conversion. Very pleased to have done it for the customer, and yeah, very cool car. Love the orange. Perhaps you can give me your views on it, but I think the orange looks amazing on this chassis, and especially with the M3 bodywork as well. Wheels are cool. I think he's now about to change the wheels, update the wheels for something else. But yeah, very good looking car.